Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 electronic drum pads. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The Alesis Nitro Max Kit is the ultimate electronic drum set for percussion enthusiasts. With its premium 8-piece design and ultra-quiet Alesis mesh heads, you can have an authentic drumming experience without disturbing your neighbors. The drum module comes with Bluetooth connectivity and built-in industry-leading BFD drum sounds, allowing you to customize your own kits and create a unique sound. Plus, with a USB MIDI feature, you can connect the kit to your computer and use any VST or DAW for recording or practicing. But the Alesis Nitro Max Kit doesn't stop there. It also offers a complete percussion experience with its 10 dual-zone mesh snare, 8 mesh toms, kick drum tower with pedal, and 10 cymbals, ride, hi-hat with foot controller, crash with choke, all mounted on a solid foldable rack. You'll have everything you need to rock out like a pro. To enhance your drumming skills, the Nitro Max Kit provides access to Drumeo, an interactive platform with lessons from over 200 drummers and thousands of songs to learn. Additionally, you'll get Melodics Premium Access and 60 virtual lessons to keep expanding your creativity. With its sleek design, compact size, and included accessories such as drum sticks, drum key, and power supply, the Alesis Nitro Max Kit is ready to kickstart your drumming journey. So get ready to unleash your rhythm and create amazing beats with this incredible electric drum set. When it comes to electronic drum sets, the AODSK electronic drum set stands out with its complete package and excellent features. This drum set is designed to provide a realistic drumming experience, making it perfect for beginners. With 4x6.5 mesh drum pads, including a snare with a drum rim hitbeat function, and 3x10 cymbals with a full strike zone, you'll have all the tools you need to create amazing beats. Not only does the AODSK electronic drum set offer a wide range of sounds with its 195 sound options and 15 drum kit sounds, but it also comes with powerful education features. The drum coach function makes practicing more interesting and helps you improve your skills faster. The drum module faithfully reproduces the timbre of each drum kit, providing a truly realistic playing experience. This drum set is also incredibly versatile with multiple modes to choose from. It features an easy-read LED display, headphone output mode for silent practice, external speaker system for amplified sound, USB MIDI interface for connecting to your computer, and aux input interface for playing along to your favorite songs. The AODSK-403 Emirati Drums drum set is not only feature-packed but also highly portable and foldable for easy storage and practice at home. You can even use the included headphones for silent practice without disturbing anyone. We are committed to providing exceptional after-sales support. If you encounter any issues with your AODSK electronic drum set, our dedicated team is ready to assist you and provide a satisfactory solution. Get ready to unleash your inner drummer with the AODSK electronic drum set. If you're looking for a beginner drum set that will keep your kids entertained for hours, the Groove electronic drum is the perfect choice. This electric drum set features 9 drum pads including snare, tom, bass, and cymbal pads, allowing kids of all levels to jam out to their heart's content. With 10 built-in demo songs and 7 different drum styles and accompaniments, kids can explore various beats and rhythms with the included wooden drumsticks. What sets this drum set apart is its user-friendly features. The digital display makes operating the electronic drums a breeze, with 16 speed controls to adjust the tempo to their liking. The headphone jack allows for private practice sessions, and there's also Bluetooth connectivity, in and out ports, a wall adapter, and a USB MIDI port for added versatility. To ensure uninterrupted playtime, this drum kit is equipped with a rechargeable battery that provides up to 3 hours of continuous play on a single charge. With its high-quality sound output and durable construction, the Groove electronic drum is an excellent choice for aspiring young drummers. Let your kids discover their musical talents and have a blast with this top-notch drum set from Groove. If you're a drummer looking for the perfect practice pad, look no further than the Drum Practice Pro. This 12-inch drum pad provides a realistic playing experience with its high-resilience rubber and solid poplar base, giving you an ear-snare drum feel. It also comes with 2 pairs/4 high-quality maple sticks, making it ideal for both beginners and professional drummers. What sets the Drum Practice Pro apart is its convenience and portability. It features special storage pockets that easily hold the drum pad and sticks, allowing you to practice anywhere you go. Whether you're at home or outdoors, this lightweight and easy-to-carry practice pad is your perfect companion. Not only is the Drum Practice Pro durable and suitable for all surfaces, including carpet, tables, and standard snare drums, it also offers excellent shock absorption and cushioning performance. You can improve your technique without disturbing your family, roommates, or neighbors thanks to its anti-slip and soundproof EVA polymer pad. On top of all that, we offer exceptional customer service. With our 30 days unconditional refund policy and excellent customer support, you can purchase the Drum Practice Pro with confidence. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied, please feel free to contact us. Take your drumming skills to the next level with the Drum Practice Pro. Get yours today and unleash your rhythmic potential. Looking for a portable and professional drum set? Look no further than the Paxos electronic drum set. This roll-up drum kit is perfect for kids and offers 5 different timbres, 8 demo songs, and 3 rhythms, allowing them to play various music styles. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry in a backpack for outdoor playing. With a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, this drum set provides up to 10 hours of playtime per charge, so your kids can enjoy playing anytime and anywhere, even outdoors. Plus, it supports headphones with an earphone jack, making it perfect for quiet practice sessions or late-night playing without disturbing others. The Paxos electronic drum set features high-quality dual speakers that create astonishing bass effects without the need for additional speakers. You can adjust the sound volume up to 10 levels for a personalized experience. The foot pedals enhance the realism of drumming. But that's not all. This drum set also supports recording and playing demo songs, allowing your kids to showcase their skills or even connect the drum set to a computer for music production or gaming. Whether it's for practicing or having fun, the Paxos electronic drum set is an excellent choice for young aspiring musicians. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 electronic drum pads. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.